I wish you are all well today. Today we are going to talk about the usage of articles. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns. Use definite and indefinite articles correctly. Countable and uncountable nouns. 1. Countable nouns are words that have singular and plural forms. Regular plural nouns, such as apple, apples, box, boxes, berry, berries. Notice that we can add s or es or ies to the plural. Irregular plural nouns, such as man, men, woman, women, mouse, mice. Here we can't add s, es or ies to the plural. 2. Uncountable nouns are words that don't have a plural form. Example: water, oil, food, milk, and etc. Uncountable nouns are always followed by singular verbs. Example: oil is a noun, uncountable, so the verb is a singular verb, so oil is squeezed from olives. Number 2, milk. Milk is very healthy. Notice that milk is uncountable noun, so it precedes by a singular verb, which is. Now we are going to talk about articles. Here we have 2 kinds of articles. They are indefinite articles and definite articles. So first we are going to talk about indefinite articles. 1. A. We use it with countable and singular nouns. Again, countable and singular nouns. Example: a book, a table, a chair, etc. 2N. When do we use it? We use it with countable and singular nouns which begin with a sound of a vowel. Again, a sound of a vowel. Example: an apple, apple, an orange, orange, an umbrella, umbrella. So we use an with countable singular noun which begins with a sound of a vowel. Definite article the. When do we use the definite article the? We use it with definite and specific things. Again, definite and specific things. Example: rivers. We say the Nile, the Nile. Seas, such as the Red Sea, the Dead Sea. Oceans, such as the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian Ocean. The second use is we use it before superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives. Example: the biggest, the oldest. We use it before ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Example: the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and etc. We use it with the specific things that were mentioned before. If we talk about something that we talk about it before, or the thing that we talk about for the second time. Now, let's complete the following sentences using a, an, or the. Number 1. I bought a new novel. Novel is on the table. Now, we are talking about novel, which is singular, countable noun, but it is indefinite. So we use a. Excellent. I bought a new novel. Now we are talking about the novel for the second time. So it mentioned before. With things that mentioned before, we use excellent, the. I bought a new novel. The novel is on the table. Number 2. Ahmed is honest man. Ahmed is honest. Honest. So, the word honest here begins with consonant letter, but when we pronounce it, we notice that we pronounce a vowel sound. So, honest. Here we use an. Ahmed is an honest man. Number 3. Nile is longest river world. Nile is a river, and before rivers we use the article the. Excellent. The Nile is. Here we have a superlative adjective, which is longest. So we use the before the superlative adjectives. The Nile is the longest river in world. Here I want to ask you a question. How many words do we have? God, we have one world. So we use the. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Number 4. She got a prize in the race. Here we have the word prize. It is countable and singular. But what prize did she got? Is it definite? No, it is not definite. So we use a. Very good, my students. I wish you have enjoyed our lesson today. أعزائي الطلبة، بإمكانكم مشاهدة هذا الموقف التعليمي لمرات عديدة من خلال الرابط أو الكود الموجود في أسفل الشاشة. Goodbye.